USLI's retail liquor store product can be written on a preferred package, including liquor liability. Eligible risks for general liability include up to $3 million in annual sales, liquor stores open 24 hours, and new ventures. For liquor liability, we can also consider risks with delivery or internet sales, on-premise tastings or samplings, establishments open 24 hours, and new ventures. Available limits include property values up to $3 million in protection classes 1 to 8, $1 million in protection classes 9 and 10, $500,000 in coastal zones, excluding wind and hail coverage. General liability up to $1 million occurrence, $2 million aggregate. Liquor liability up to $1 million occurrence, $2 million aggregate. Excess general liability or umbrella up to $5 million. Hired and non-owned auto liability up to $1 million, equal to the general liability occurrence limit, not available in Arizona, Georgia, Illinois, Mississippi, Vermont, or Wisconsin. USLI's retail liquor store product can save the policyholder a fortune. A 19-year-old was consuming alcohol he purchased at a local liquor store when he crashed his car into a tree. The passenger in his vehicle sustained significant brain damage, fractured legs, and other internal injuries. The passenger sued the store for selling alcohol to a minor. The claim settled for the full policy limits of $1 million. A customer of the liquor store went to use the restroom. The tile floor area just outside the restroom was still wet. The customer slipped and fell, breaking their arm. The customer filed a lawsuit against the liquor store for pain and suffering, medical bills, and rehabilitation expenses. As you can see, there is an immediate need for USLI's retail liquor store product.